bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the glove box back panel. Unclip the 3 tabs on the filter housing door. Then lift the door to free the bottom tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1242C filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the filter door by threading the bottom tabs into their catch first, then press to lock the top. Reinstall the access panel. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.